What's going on, guys? It's a hot one today. It's like 100 degrees. So I've got the big umbrella up, and I just got done with a pretty cool part here. As you can see, we got some stuff. Ooh, did you see the tooth bar? I didn't see any tooth bar. Check it out. I've got the front end all put together here, and I must be embarrassed to say that if you noticed in the community post I made, this was upside down, so I had to redo that. But the bracketry is mounted. The hardware that it comes with, these are one size up. You can see how massive they are, and the inserts are threaded, so these are thread bolted in, and that's with lock nuts. Very nice setup. And I stumbled on a pretty cool surprise where I'm able to make this work. I haven't done the wiring. Oh, and by the way, when you do all your wiring, always make sure you put it right over the exhaust. That's like the best place to have your wiring. That's a hot tip. Follow me for more tips. But I digress. We have the switch here. This is actually the wiring from the sleeve hitch on the back, so I just plugged it in. And because of that, we're able to raise and lower, and you can see how that works. So basically we can go all the way down, and you can see it actually moves the tractor. You can see that little bit of flex. So this part is working, and this would be, I guess, all the way in the up position on it. So have to attach the bucket at this point, and of course I still have to put the actuator together that's going to go on the side here that will manipulate, ooh, that's heavy, that will manipulate that arm, and that's going to provide the dump function as well. So that would be the lift actuator, the other one would be the dump control. And the other item that came today is the tooth bar, which is way more massive than I anticipated. You can see how incredibly thick this is. I mean, there's a finger. That's some very thick metal compared to, look how super thin that edge is. And that's exactly why I got this thing, because this is basically, I mean, in addition to the fact that you can dig with it, this is basically a protective edge for the bucket. So this can be replaced. This is $200, and based on the way this is made, it's incredibly heavy. Based on the way that it's made, I think it's worth it. I'm slowly getting over the lettering that they did where they cut this out. I wish they hadn't done that, because this really just kind of weakens that surface, and I was kind of, I don't know. I think it's a bad idea. What do you guys think? But I don't want to go back on the neg on that. So far, good news is we've got the actuator working, and I expect to have this whole thing put together probably in the next day or two. So that'll be kind of cool. Hey, worst case scenario, we can always weld a reinforcement plate on top of there and put some cool crap on there. I don't know, some tow hooks, some lights, a winch, who knows. Let's deck it out. But anyway, I'm super stoked. I think so far it's pretty good. I think the quality on this is really good. I don't expect any problems with this. I was kind of hoping for the actuator to be a little bit quicker. I mean, you know, this is the turbo actuator. I mean, good lord, if this is the turbo, then the regular one must have really sucked. But we'll see how it works. Let's not be too judgmental up front. But I'd say probably another day or two we'll have this all bolted together for you, and then we'll have the wiring figured out a little bit after that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Land shark.